So today I'll be unboxing this high quality binoculars, and it comes packaged like this. We're gonna open it up and see what is in it. So when you bring it out of the container, it comes in a nice bag like this. So in the bag you do have the binoculars itself, and you also have the strap. So this is the shoulder strap that you can use, and I love that the bag also has cleansers to use to clean the lens. This is what it looks like. It does have a covering for the lens area, and once you remove the covering, you'll be able to see the binoculars lens itself. Very well protected. This is designed with 10 times power magnification. It has 500 mm large objective lens with 341 feet, which is like a 1,000 yard of field of view. Very good view field. The top area also where you place your eyes also has a lens covering right there. I love that it's able to give you a clear image for more than 650 feet. This is really great for land surveying, surveys, and also for maritime patrol. You can use it on the job. You can use it for recreational purposes. It has a nice grip to it, where it's very firm, is very impact resistant, very durable. The plastic actually protects it from getting damaged or hurt. When you grip it, you're able to grip it very well without it falling off. It has a focal area where you can focus on what you want, and it has knobs and that you can use to focus, use to get clarity for what you're trying to view. I'm going to install the strap area and you'll see how long the strap is. So these binoculars can be used at night but not in complete darkness. It's actually best suited for outdoor activities like climbing, hiking, and traveling, and also adjustable right lens, so you're able to adjust the right eyepiece and adapt to different viewing area. So really nice and very durable. This is manufactured with great quality, and I believe they also provide you with warranty and also 24 hours customer service. So I love this. I love that the binoculars uses back a 4 FMC lens, and you know, it's full multi-coated and gives you good transmission. So I love it. I love the appearance, and I also love that it's not so heavy.